my goodness, what are we gonna do, Jack?
We're gonna wash these trucks.
Yeah, it's loud. We're gonna wash them. These are so dirty. Jack, are you ready for the big blast? Let's get them soapy.
Welcome to JackJackPlays.
Spray them! Squeeze! Holy cow, our trucks needed a bath. Big time. It's pushing them all over.
That's dirty.
We've got foam brush action. Jack, we might have to move the shark and the anglerfish to get in that dump truck. I'm glad you take care of your toys so well. Wow! Look at that squirting, foaming brush. Oh, get the backhoe. And let's get that excavator.
When I will get that foam out of here.
Squirt it, Jack! Whoa! He almost squirted me. Get him! Get him! Whoa, it's a torrential rain. Is this fun, Jack? Is it fun?
Yes!
I think Sharky likes it. Oh, I love a good squirt. Get him, Jack. Oh yeah. Yeah, can you squirt in there, Jack? Oh, nice. Get those tracks, Jack. Oh my goodness. They're so dirty. Other side. Get the bulldozer. Nice job. Our construction equipment's going to be so clean. Is this super fun, Jack?
Yeah.
Awesome. Epic.
Bye, kids. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching the truck car wash. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Say bye, Jack.
Bye.